Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. Today we will going to learn about the media tab of the WordPress on the WordPress dashboard. Okay, yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need to log in into your WordPress website dashboard. So I am already logged in. Okay, so we will be discussing all about media today. So what exactly this media is all about? So media tab is all about your photos, your videos, your files, and each and everything you can upload on your website. Okay, any file like image, maybe a logo, each and everything will be uploaded in a media tab. Okay, so they do have two options, that is library and add new. So we will go forward and click on library. So library is actually a collection of all the files which you uploaded on your website. Okay, so currently I have not uploaded any kind of file on this website, that's why you are seeing no media items found. Okay, so once we upload all the images and files or maybe videos, so you can see each and everything over here. Okay, you can choose images, you can choose audio, you can choose video, you can choose document, spreadsheet, archive, unattached, mine, and yeah, you can uh, filter it with date also. Okay, you can change the alignment like grid 1, list 1. Okay, yeah, you can also search for the name of your file. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So now what we will do is we will go forward and add new like file uh, in this media. Okay, on this website. So we will going forward, clicking on add new. So you can see here that you do have a, this is a WordPress uploader. Okay, so you can select multiple files, you can even drag and drop over here and it will upload. Okay, the thing here is the maximum upload size file size is 8 MB, but it can be increased. I will show it in a later video. I will make a video on dedicated to this only, how you can increase. One of my website is around like the limit is set to like 1 GB, because when you upload videos, so videos, videos are very heavy files. They do have a very large size, so that's why you need to increase this uh, the limitation of uploading file, so that you can upload larger file. Okay, so we will see that in future video. So we'll going forward and we will select files. So we'll going download, we will be selecting few files just for testing purpose. Okay. So we'll be selecting this file. Okay, so you can select multiple files. Okay, there are not restrictions of any kind. You can select, I can choose only one file, or I can choose multiple file like 4 of them, including I also want to upload a doc file, word file, as well as I am also kind of what we can say, want to upload a audio file and a PDF file. Okay, so right now I am uploading, I am uploading 4 images, 1 doc file, 1 audio, 1 PDF, and if I can find 1 video, then I will upload the video as well. Just a second. Okay, so I have found 1 video, but most probably this video will be very, what we can say, high resolution and it will exceed 8 MB. So we have selected each and everything excluding the video thing. Okay, so we will be clicking on upload, open, and it will upload each and everything. Okay, so it will exceed the, okay, so the doc, the word file uh, which we uploaded exceeded the maximum size. So most probably it was the file was more than 8 MB. So it's okay, it's not a problem. We can uh, increase the limitation over here. I will show you in future video. So we have uploaded one PDF, one audio, and 4 images. Okay. So when you click on images, you can see that you can enter your alternative text, title, caption, description, and your URL. Okay, URL of the website of and this image. Okay, you will get a dedicated URL for this image. Okay, so you can put it somewhere, maybe in on social medias, or maybe on your post. Use alternative alt text always. It will help you in SEO ranking. Okay, so this will be same for all the images. And when you click on audio, it will show you title, artist, album, caption, and yeah, again with the dedicated URL to your website for this audio, and same for the PDFs. You will get a caption, you will get a title and description and a dedicated URL. Okay, dedicated URL. You can edit more detail, but that's not necessary. Like you can, that's more than enough. I showed what which I shown you is more than enough. Like most people don't come here, and like you can do that the same thing, like the caption description from there only, as well as you can get the dedicated URL from there only. No need to come inside. Okay, just close this thing. So this is all our, what we can say, the file which we uploaded. So let's go and just let's upload the video file. Maybe it's less than 8 MB, I don't know, but we will try. Not a problem. Where it is gone. Hmm. Okay, most probably it's more than 8 MB. Yeah, it's more than 8 MB, I guess. That's why it is not uploading. Okay, not a problem. So what we will do is we will bulk select and we will delete permanently. Just a second. So you can how you can delete, you can like click on bulk select, and you can uh, uh, select each and everything which you want to delete. Like I am deleting each and everything, delete permanently. It will ask you, so click on OK, and it will delete each and everything. Okay, now I will try uploading a video. Maybe that was because the space was not available, or maybe the file size is only very big. Okay, the file size is big, not a problem. Okay, so this is how you upload a file on your WordPress website. Okay, yeah, so I will show you one more thing. Okay, so this what I told you previously, that this is a WordPress uploader. Okay, if you go and select browser uploader, so you have to choose one file at a time. Okay, sometimes the WordPress uploader may not work in a very rare case scenario, so you can use this thing. But the disadvantage of it is it's not a you cannot select multiple file, you cannot drag drop. Yeah, so it's always advisable that you use WordPress uploader, and rest is your choice. So that's it for the media tab. It's okay, so the video is uploaded. Okay, yeah, video is uploaded. So I was assuming that there was a space, kind of this files are very large, but the videos are uploaded. Okay, you can see the video is uploaded, and you can see, yeah. So yeah, so I will just delete this also, delete permanently. And yes, this is the media tab. Okay, so it's very easy. It's the capability of WordPress to upload media files on your website. That's it. So I hope that you did like this video. Make sure to like, share, comments, and subscribe. And take care. Bye bye.